In this lecture, I want to talk to you about a question related to gains and losses. You are the manager of a furniture store, and due to the rising logistics costs, the store has decided to no longer offer free delivery to customers. Instead, a delivery fee of 20 yuan will be charged for each piece of furniture. However, consumers are very unhappy about this. If you must charge this 20 yuan fee, what methods can you use to make consumers understand and accept your decision? From the perspective of consumers, do they really think that the 20 yuan fee is unreasonable? Their resistance is actually due to their instinctive aversion to sudden losses. What is loss aversion? Suppose you found 100 yuan on your way to work, but just as you were about to be happy, the wind blew the money away. The joy and frustration cancel each other out, and you seem to return to the calm state before you found the money. However, most people's mood for the day will not be too good at this time. This psychological state of being more sensitive to losses, which originated from ancient human self-protection, has produced many interesting phenomena in today's business society. Concept: loss aversion. The happiness gained cannot alleviate the pain of loss. Psychologists call this underlying psychological state of being more sensitive to losses loss aversion. Scientists have even found that the negative effect of loss is 2.5 times that of the positive effect of the same gain. Case: an elderly person wanted to drive away children playing on a public lawn, so he offered them 10 yuan, 5 yuan, and 1 yuan in succession. Although the children could get 1 yuan in the end, the pain of losing 9 yuan was far greater than the joy of getting 10 yuan, so the children never came to play on the lawn again. Scenario 1. A furniture store charges a delivery fee of 20 yuan, which can trigger consumers' aversion to loss if collected directly. An alternative approach is to add the 20 yuan delivery fee to the product price. If the delivery is not needed, the price can be reduced by 20 yuan. Scenario 2. Consumers may worry about what to do if the furniture is damaged when they buy it. An alternative approach is to offer a 7-day no-reason return policy. After purchasing the product, few people will return it if there is no problem with the quality. Scenario 3. Consumers like your sofa and want to buy it, but they already have one at home and throwing it away would be a waste. You can offer a trade-in service, where the old sofa is valued at 800 yuan. This is more tempting for consumers than simply offering an 800 yuan discount on the sofa. Conclusion: optimization strategies. First, use trade-in methods instead of discounting. Second, use a gain-framed message instead of a loss-framed message. Third, when conditions are ripe, you may try boldly promoting a no-reason return policy.